from Delta State. And I'm a Urhobo girl. You can't have an Urhobo girl and go wrong. It's not possible. If you're single and you're looking for someone to settle down with, go for an Urhobo girl and enjoy life. And enjoy what it is to love, what it is to have a family. We be backbone. You understand? Now we be the strength of the ass. Don't be joke. We dey respect our husbands. We respect our husbands to a fault. The man is the head. We dey hustle. We dey hustle. You understand? If you know you want your family oriented, go for an Urhobo girl. Come back and thank me. You know, understand? We dey support our man. Even if our man shop when she will follow and shop the when she will they fly together. Now so we be. You can't have an Urhobo girl and go wrong. It's not possible. They don't rush us take finish. Other tribes just the rush us they take. Ishan, the Edo the rush, Rivers the rush, Yoruba the rush us, Igbo the rush us. That's so we just be. Anywhere where we they stand out. That's an Urhobo girl for you. We get better mind for man. We get better mind for man. We dey stand gidigba for our home. We dey there till they break. It's not a joke. When I told they look Urhobo girls less. Have one. You go on your knees every day and thank your God. I'm telling you, don't sleep on an Urhobo girl like me. Don't sleep on us, man. Don't sleep on us. Don't say, "Ma, clear you."